Gonna come say hi? Come here. Say hi. Good morning, everybody. It's the day before Halloween. Time for me to get back to work. I guess I'm just gonna start hauling this stuff away, loading it back in the bags. Let's see here. Already got someone's skid plate this morning. Kind of just been driving around throwing cans in the bed for the last couple days. Felt kind of discouraged when I'd come out here to see a spot I literally just cleaned up is now got fresh trash in it. Oh, and little surprise for Halloween. If you're squeamish, don't look, but I can't remember if I showed you guys this or not. I think it was a calf. It's definitely a calf. Yep, found that the other day. Figured it's the spoopy season, so why not look at a nice spoopy skeleton. Alright, everybody, have a great day. Go clean something up, and remember, if you litter, you're lame.